guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to Cassie Join the Gang. If you're old here, what's up gang?
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.
So as you can see by today's title, we're doing either a daily vlog or a weekend vlog. I don't know just yet, but it could be a weekend vlog because I'm supposed to go to Freddy tonight and be there overnight. So I'm just gonna take you along with me for my day. Mind you, it's Friday 20th December. It's currently like 9:40 something a.m. So what I have to do today is I have to go to school to pick up something, withdraw some cash from the ATM because the ATM in school is cheaper than the ATM uptown, and then go uptown to deposit because the ATM in school doesn't have a deposit slot. And then I don't know, probably just come back home. I might get boba, I don't know just yet, and then just come back, do some laundry, chill, then get ready to go to Fred. So let's go guys. Sorry, I keep looking, I keep trying to see if I'm in frame properly. My tripod is still not here guys because Canada Post is still processing. Like my tripod is still in Ontario. It was supposed to have been delivered yesterday at most. That's what I said, but apparently not. The bus comes in like 15 minutes, so I'm probably gonna like put on a jacket. No, probably, it's cold. It feels like -9 right now, so I'm gonna put on like a jacket. And yes, I'm layered and I'm inside, so it's hot right now, but besides the point, I'm gonna put on a jacket, some fuzzy socks and my shoes. It's not slippery out today, thank God, so I can like walk outside and everything without worrying about slipping. So hopefully I don't miss the bus this time. The bus is in 8 minutes. And I need to leave like right now. But let me give you guys a quick fit check. Fit check before I go. I was actually in such a rush that I grabbed my camera. Right now I feel like people are looking at me crazy, but that's fine. Either way, it's so cold out here that I feel like I should have worn my gloves, but it's fine. I'm just gonna put my hand in my pockets and I'll see you guys when I get to school. Okay, so I'm trying this new boba place with me. It's called Bugby Cup. Hi guys, so I just got back home. It is 11:57. Bro, it's so cold out. My fingers are so frozen. Well, they're not frozen, but I feel like I'm about to get frostbite or something. But anyways, go watch my review of the new boba place I tried on my TikTok. Yes, they said I should go touch grass, so I decided to treat myself for touching grass. My battery's about to die, so I'm gonna plug my charger in, go load the laundry card, and then relax a bit, and then we'll do some laundry, and I'll see you guys. I'm back to my default settings, but I just wanted to update you. I just reloaded the laundry card, but I'm so cold. I want to go take a hot shower, relax my muscles, and all of that jazz. Davida supposed to come here around like 5. Oh, let me tell you guys what I ordered. I got this mango tango with strawberry boba pearls. I know I keep saying about pearl. This thing is so good. A solid 10 out of 10. I don't want to finish it because I wanted to try it, but it's like 12 now, so I don't know. I also got her a chocolate chip cookie because I know she likes chocolate chip cookies and I know she will love it. Anyways, I also got myself an ube cookie. I couldn't try it in the TikTok, but head over to my TikTok to watch it. Right now, I just want to go shower, calm down, and then we'll go do laundry. I can't lie, that was a very nice shower. I actually really, sorry about that horrible angle. I actually really enjoyed my shower. Now I'm going to do laundry, and Nana just called me. He wants like to go to Costco. He can pick me up because he's traveling today, so he was come pick me up. We'll go to Costco, he'll pick up a few stuff and then come back. Just was a bit of a catch-up session, so I made plans, but you know, it actually works out because I also haven't seen Nana in a minute, like in a really long minute, so kind of excited to see him hang out, even though it's gonna be for a few minutes because I still have to come back and pack. I don't know why I always do this last minute thing, but don't worry, I've made a list so I know everything I'm going to carry and everything. So yeah, we're not even gonna take like a long time at Costco, and we're not going with the bus, he's driving, so we'll probably be back in like 2 hours. But then my laundry would have finished washing, and yeah. Oh, my closet looks a mess right now because I was looking for something to wear tonight. I haven't even found an outfit for what I'm going to wear, like an outfit I'm going to wear tomorrow. Why am I talking so fast? Because I want to go and put the laundry in. Okay, so let's go do some laundry. So I decided that I'm gonna start packing some stuff to go to Fred right now while I wait for Nana to come get me, so that I'm not like rushing or anything, because I want to like have time to relax, catch my breath, and like maybe get ready and stuff like that before I actually have to leave. So forgive the messy bed because it's actually messy, but don't worry, we'll deal with that. Do it that when we come back. Not when we come back, but we'll do that later before we leave. Okay, so my laundry just got done washing, and Ify is now calling me that he's ready. I'm wearing the same thing that I wore the first time. So yeah, I'm just going to put my stuff in the jar and then call him, and we go. I swear, Ify is a white man in a black man's body, because why is this man wearing a t-shirt in this weather? Like, Ify, what? Why are you wearing a t-shirt in this weather? Come. Let them see what you are wearing. For you? What do you mean is that code for me? So I'm actually grocery shopping now because I'm in Costco, so why not? Trust me to go out of budget. Hey, I thought
they're looking, they see me.
I thought I'll only spend $150.
They're looking, they see me. My balance is $100. If it goes over.
My own car is good. And I still have to buy some few things. So we just got back, and it wasn't my class to go do groceries today, but the opportunity presented itself, and I'm actually really grateful to Ify, because I was also thinking about how I was going to spend money having to go there and even the ride to come back. That's like $20-40 just on the ride before I buy the groceries. But the opportunity presented itself today, and wow, God is really good, and I'm just grateful. But my laundry was done like 25 or 30 minutes ago, so I'm gonna go grab that and then come back and pack the stuff into their respective places. Okay guys, so I grabbed the stuff. I spoke to my sister and my mom, and now I'm going to pack the things. My camera is so mad at me by now because I keep charging and removing it. That's not my fault. The battery there is quick, so I don't know. Anyways, let's go arrange the stuff and then come and get something to eat and shop. The video was supposed to come here. I feel like this girl is asleep because I called her twice and she didn't pick up. I'm so tired, and I didn't even get to fit everything in the fridge. I'm still thinking about how I'm gonna put my clementines, and I thought my onions were done. No, they were hiding like at the back. So now I just have extra onions, so at least I don't need onions for like 3 more months or something. But I don't know. My parents once I eat, because I haven't eaten today. The only thing I've had is this quarter. Is that even quarter? Yeah, this much of the bubble tea I got in the morning. So I'm coming to eat the BK that I got last night, and then yeah, I'll talk to you guys. Okay guys, so it's currently 8:01 p.m. and I just found out who I'm going with, and the person is not even picking their clothes, but I'm just going to get ready just in case I go. If I don't actually end up going, then I would have just done makeup for fun. I might even just go visit Sarita. We might just chill, because her mom is coming tomorrow, so we might just chill all this tomorrow, just do our own thing. I don't know. Yeah, so get ready with me. I'll just do a little get ready with me because my jams, I don't know, I just found a random playlist on Spotify, and that's what I'm gonna listen to. So let's do it. Ignore my messy color. Let me try and turn this light up. Nope, that's the brightest because I think the battery is even dying. But yeah, I post the music so I can talk to you guys I'm trying to hype myself up because I'm actually so tired. I'm so sorry for getting that, but yeah. Yes, this is what I'm wearing in this clothes again. Don't worry, I'm wearing layers on top and stuff. And we're going to a place that's kind of used as a club, so... or it's a club, I don't know. But we're sure going. I'm just trying not to be depressed this season, so... I know this doesn't do much, but it keeps the hair out of like the side of my face, so that's what we want. Yeah. I think I'll just talk to you guys when I'm done getting ready, or when I'm about to do my hair. This is the final look. I haven't put the gloss on yet. This is my lights dimmed. I think it's dying. Well, not I think. I know it's dying. I have to replace the batteries. My camera too is trying to die. Let's charge it if I can. That means you guys are not gonna see me do my hair because I'm about to plug the camera in. This is good. I like it, but I don't like it because it's really like it's really sticky, but it's also really good. Anyways, this is the final makeup look. The thing doesn't want to focus. Focus. Yeah. Weird. Okay, I'll catch you guys when I'm done with my hair. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day and I ended up not going to Fred. I know I look crusty. I just woke up like 30 minutes is even a long time. Maybe it was actually 30 minutes ago. I just brushed my teeth and everything. So let me give you like a bit of a rundown. So Davida ended up not coming due to some personal problems, and I kind of understand it. I actually understand like why she couldn't make it. And then I ended up not going to Fred, even though I got ready and anything. I just stayed on a call with Serum and my sister till about 10 p.m. No, it's about 12:30 AST, 4:30 GMT, and I don't know the time zone Serum uses, but she's 2 hours behind us. Yeah, so we were just having a ball, just chatting, everything. There's been a snowstorm since about 12 a.m. Mind you, the snow was all cleared up by the time I got back from writing my exam, and it hadn't snowed again since then. But today, since 12 a.m., it's been snowing. Let me show you guys. It's pretty, yeah? But I wouldn't think because there's enough. Wouldn't because they didn't. Anyways, let's go clean now since there's nobody at home and it's like quiet and calm. I don't want to be disturbing anyone while I clean. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.